With the research, with the inquiries, with the interest, what we started working with in engaging with the craft practices, now we are extending our engagement with Odisha Craft Odyssey with its second iteration, which is dedicated to work with applique craft. The craft is not just being understood from this outsider's gaze or a romanticized notion through which the cultural practice or the traditional making techniques are being understood historically, but also it kind of gives us this opportunity to see from the social and cultural context of the craft through which it is being situated in different parts of the state.
I roamed around looking at how the behind the scenes of the work, the process, the materiality, the handwork. I'm drawn to all of these processes because this is what the materiality kind of teaches a lot more than the product itself. And by looking at all of these things, the hand stitching, the repetitions, the way the hands move, the versatility of the stitch, all of this, I was able to notice the structural realities of the craft.
Began the process, I started documenting the protocols of practice of the artisans. And what I very quickly understood is that there were a couple of different domains in which these protocols of practice were placed. But then the differentiated nomenclature tells us otherwise, that there has to be a history. Otherwise, the art form would not have the kind of differentiated nomenclature it does. So I have been able to piece a very beautiful historical narrative for the Chandua, almost from 900 BCE until now, a very unbroken historical narrative for the art form.
This residency I started with the archival research and lot of archival videos and photographs, experimenting with cyanotype processes in multiple ways. I'm trying to create time lapse as well, and apart from printing cyanotype on fabrics and all, the craft of people has been the part of their livelihood and how they engage with this craft, not just as a final outcome, but I wanted to observe the intricate details about the making of this whole crafts.
बारंबार साइक्लोन अटैक द्वारा चांद दिन दिन 138 पाखी दुकान था एवं बचिकी 48 दुकान अच्छा चांदू आरंभ हो छती त्रास आलट विंचणा लेटर बॉक्स लैंपसेट जगन्नाथ मंदिर संस्कृति चांदुआ निर्मित रही दिन दिन नुआ प्रकार ट्रेडिशनल आकार नुआ नुआ फैशनेबल डिजाइन सब तैयारी चांदुआर ड्रेस चांदुआर शाढ़ी गांधी बैग शोल्डर बैग ये टाइप जिन नुआ नुआ तैयारी जोटा कि बाहर लोक बहुत पसंद आसूँ प्लस आम ओडिशा चली।
पापा और दादा वो सबने काम किए थे चांदुआ काम, अभी मैं भी एक चांदुआ काम कर रहा हूँ। अभी मामा जो है वो भी काम कर रहे हैं। मैं गांव में जितने हैं सब यही काम कर रहे हैं, चांदुआ काम।
काम करने द्वारा बहुत किसी जिनस जाना को मिली मोटिव्स काम होची कि कौन आम खाली चांदुआ जानते किंतु एबे रिसर्चर मान सहित जाइकी बहुत किसी नुआ माने तादेरे कौन कौन सब अलग अलग भी चांदुआ अच्छी आउ ता भितर जो मोटिव्स आउ जहाँ भी स्टिच यूज होची तार भी सब अलग अलग ना अच्छी।
आगुरु मु एते डिटेल्स से देखु नतले चांदुआ को इते बेले मु एते पार्टिसिपेट कली तो मोर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूटा चेंज होइछि आउ तार हिस्ट्री भी जानछु तार यूटिलाइज भी जानछु कोन केमती यूज हुए आउ केबेटू यूज होछि।
तो पूर्व थर भी आमे पार्टिसिपेट करिथिलु आ हमकु बहुत नुआ जिनस शिक्षा को मिलता केमती अप्रोच करती जाइकी लोक मानू क्लस्टर रे तो केमती क्वेश्चन पचारती से विषय नुआ जिनस गोटे मुझे शिखिली जेहेतु मुझे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करुँची मो काम रे भी केमती सेटा कनेक्टेड रखिपारि केमती यूज करि से जिनस मु शिखिली।
The image demands from these kind of different clusters and different distribution of clusters in different parts of the state. In terms of research, in terms of artistic interventions, we have been interested in working with this distribution of labor, the distribution of cluster is being conditioned in a manner in which that shape the identity of people, but also problematize the very conditioning of how the Pipali is being situated as part of the regional identity of the state.